Namaste and welcome to this guided meditation on grounding. In this session, we will understand the importance of grounding to be more stable and calm through the day. Our modern lives can be so hectic that we often feel disembodied and lost in the noise of our minds. There is a lot of movement which can leave us depleted and imbalanced. Movement can be at the gross level of driving, talking, using technology, and movement can also be at the subtle level of endless thoughts and fluctuating emotions. In our busy lives of constant movement, we all need some grounding and stillness. Grounding means to be firm and stable in the body, mind, and in the face of life. It helps in dealing with adversity during moments when we are stressed and overwhelmed. A grounded person has the resilience to handle different situations with a sense of calm, patience, and clarity. Grounding can be experienced within the body, breath, and the mind. So let's get started with today's practice. You may practice seated cross-legged on your yoga mat. Optionally, you may even sit with your back against the wall. If you're not comfortable sitting down cross-legged, feel free to sit on a chair with your feet resting on the floor. It's important that you feel comfortable and alert during the practice. As you settle, gently close the eyes, or you may even keep them partially open with a soft gaze downward. Place your hands on the knees. Roll your shoulders up and backwards, relaxing the arms, neck. Lift the chest up and lengthen the spine. Soften the abdomen. Notice your facial muscles. If they are tense, relax and soften them, keeping a gentle smile on your face. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out slowly and completely. With the awareness on the body, feel the different contact points. Notice the sense of touch. Feel the palms resting on the knees. And feel the contact between the body and the surface below. The lower body is heavy, grounded, and completely still. Become aware of the whole body. The experience of stillness within the body. Now bring the awareness to the breath. And bring the awareness to the tailbone. As you breathe in, feel that you are drawing in energy from the ground below. As you breathe out, feel this grounding energy spreading throughout the body. You may lengthen the breaths to enhance this feeling. Breathing in, drawing in energy from the ground below. Breathing out, the energy spreading throughout the body. Continue a few breaths on your own. Now return to natural breath and bring the awareness to the space at the forehead or in front of the closed eyes. In this space, your mind's eye, visualize a tall mountain. The mountain is large, has a solid foundation, and a towering presence. Take a moment to picture the details of the mountain. Perhaps there are trees, snow, maybe rocks. Visualize the entire mountain to the level of detail you can. Now envision yourself becoming the mountain. Feel that your body is the mountain. The head is the peak. The upper body is the sides of the mountain. And the lower body is the base. And just like the mountain is calm through the seasonal changes of rain, storm, and heat, you are calm and unaffected by the changes in life. Just like the mountain, you are strong and stable. Just like the mountain, you are still and grounded. Feel yourself rooted in this stillness amidst the constant change of your internal and external experience. A complete sense of calm, stillness, and grounding. Now gradually, awareness returning to the breath. Awareness back to the body. Feel the sense of touch, the contact between the body and the surface below. The palms resting on the knees. Observe the whole body as a single entity. And notice how you feel after today's practice, physically and mentally. If anything is different from the beginning of the session, do acknowledge it. Preparing to release the practice. Making gradual movements, wiggle your fingers and toes. Move the neck sideways. Bring your hands in front of your chest with palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Now rub your palms till you feel them getting warm, and then cup them over the eyes. Enjoy this feeling of warmth. And then release your hands and open your eyes with a smile on your face. Welcome back. Grounding reconnects us with the felt sense of stability that we all have within us. It connects us to a foundation and allows us to focus our mind on the present, to feel more calm, balanced, and aware. There is another method, and that is connecting with the earth. You can do this by walking barefoot on grass, sitting near a tree, and spending more time in nature. By grounding yourself and connecting with the earth's energy, you will become more aware of the rhythms of your own body and reconnect to your natural state of calm and stillness. Take care, and I will see you soon. May we all be healthy and peaceful. Hari Om Tat Sat.